The Poolmate Hydro 3 Cordless Pool Cleaner is a game changer in the world of pool maintenance. This versatile and powerful cleaner is designed to make pool cleaning effortless, allowing you to enjoy more time in the water without worrying about debris or dirt. With its advanced features, including dual turbo pumps, extended battery life, and intelligent navigation, the Hydro 3 promises an efficient and thorough cleaning experience for your pool. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before starting the video, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for our upcoming videos. When you receive the Poolmate Hydro 3, you'll find everything you need to get started right out of the box. The package includes robot cleaner, power adapter, salvage hook, file envelope. The Poolmate Hydro 3 is packed with features that set it apart from other pool cleaners in its class. The Hydro 3 effortlessly cleans your pool's walls, floor, and waterline. Its intelligent navigation system ensures full coverage, adapting to any terrain and effectively traversing obstacles. Energy efficiency. Equipped with dual turbo pumps, the Hydro 3 not only provides powerful cleaning, but also saves up to 20% on energy consumption. It operates on less than 80 watts for daily use, making it both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Extended battery life. The Malki trademark. 2.0 technology. The Hydro 3 offers up to 200 minutes of continuous cleaning time. This extended battery life is ideal for larger pools, ensuring comprehensive cleaning in one go. The battery recharges fully in just 4 hours, minimizing downtime between uses. Enhanced suction power. The dual turbo centrifugal pumps generate strong suction, with a flow rate of up to 320 liters per minute. This powerful suction capability ensures that even the smallest debris, such as leaves, sand, and fibers, are effectively removed from your pool. High-capacity filter basket. The Hydro 3 feature is a 4.1-liter dual-zone filter basket with 180mm nylon mesh, capable of capturing and filtering out fine impurities like dust, parasites, and algae. This ensures your pool water remains crystal clear. Proactive brush technology. The 4x speed. TPE wear-resistant proactive brush generates strong friction, cleaning your pool's floor, walls, and waterline with exceptional efficiency. The brush operates at 4 times the speed of the wheel track tires, enhancing cleaning effectiveness. Lightweight and portable. Weighing just 7.5 kilo, the Hydro 3 is lightweight and easy to handle. Its hydrodynamic streamlined design further enhances its portability, allowing you to move and store the cleaner with ease. The Hydro 3 features 4.1 liters of filter basket capacity, which is a significant advantage over similar products. The Poolmate Hydro 3 Cordless Pool Cleaner is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to maintain a clean and pristine pool with minimal effort. Its combination of advanced features, energy efficiency, and powerful cleaning capabilities makes it a top contender in the market. Whether you have a small or large pool, the Hydro 3 adapts to your needs, ensuring every inch of your pool is thoroughly cleaned. At $490, it offers great value for money, and with the added discount on a 1-year warranty, it's an investment worth considering. Enjoy more time relaxing by the pool, knowing that the Hydro 3 has your cleaning needs covered. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.